Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. I am your mathematics lecturer Shivraj K. Darur, Department of Mathematics, CLS Degree College, Chikodi. For BSc third semester, you will be having mathematics 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. In that, I am going to handle paper 1, that is mathematical logic and real analysis. Let us see what is in your syllabus. In the unit first, you will be studying about the mathematical logic. Here logic means reasoning. Here mathematical logic is classified into set theory, proof theory, recursion theory and model theory. In your syllabus, you will be studying some basic definitions related to mathematical logic. Next, you will be studying about the tautology. Here tautology means, tauto means same and logy means logic. Here tautology means some compound statement which gives always the true values. And next, contradiction. Here some compound statement which gives always the false values is called as a contradiction. Next, you will be studying about the logical equivalence, converse, inverse and contrapositive of an implication. Next, you will be studying about the mathematical structures, essential and universal quantifiers, lastly methods of proof. In unit 2, you will be studying about the real analysis first. Here what do you mean by real analysis? It is the branch of mathematical analysis that studies the behavior of real numbers, sequences and series of real numbers and real functions. In the syllabus, you will be studying about the Jacobians. Here what do you mean by Jacobians? Jacobians is a matrix of a partial derivatives of vector function. Jacobian is a matrix of partial derivatives of vector function. Next, you will be studying about the properties on Jacobians and some examples on Jacobians. Here next you will be studying about Lagrange's mean value theorem for function of two variables. In the BSc first year, you have already studied about the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function of single variable. Here you will be studying about the Lagrange's mean value theorem for function of two variables. Next is the Taylor's theorem. Here only statement is important for your examination. And next is Maclaurin's theorem for two variables. This also you have already studied in the BSc first year, that is Maclaurin's theorem for single variable. Here you will be studying about the Maclaurin's theorem for two variables. Next, unit 3 is about the real analysis 2. Here you will be studying about the maxima and minima of 2 and 3 variables. This is also you have studied in the BSc first year. Necessary and sufficient condition for extreme values of two variables. Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. This is about your unit 3. Next, unit 4 is about the sequence first. Here what do you mean by sequence? An ordered list of numbers which is defined for positive integers. An ordered list of numbers which is defined for positive integers. For example, suppose you take an example of 1, 2, 3, 4. These are in the ordered arrangement and they are in the sequence. This is mean the sequence. Let us see what is in your unit 4. Your unit 4 consisting about the definition for sequences, a limit of sequences, bounded and unbounded sequences. The sequence is said to be bounded, which is bounded above and below, and a sequence is said to be unbounded sequence if it is not bounded above and below. Next, you will be studying about the convergent, divergent and oscillatory sequence. Here what do you mean by convergent sequence? A sequence is said to be convergent sequence if it approaches to some limit, and a sequence is said to be divergent sequence if it is not a convergent sequence or it does not approaches to some limit. And next is oscillatory sequence. A sequence is said to be oscillatory sequence if neither it is a convergent sequence nor it is a divergent sequence, then it is a oscillatory sequence. Next, you will be studying about the algebra of convergent sequences, monotonic sequences. Next, and theorem on monotonic sequences. Theorems on monotonic sequences. This is about your the unit 4. Next, in unit 5, you will be studying about the sequences 2. Here first you will study about the basic definition for Cauchy's sequences. Next is the Cauchy's first and second theorem on limits, Cauchy's criterion for convergence of sequence. Next, you will be finally studying about the subsequences, some basic definition of subsequences and examples on subsequences. This is about your unit 5. Hope you have understood the syllabus for all 5 units. In the next video we will come with a particular unit. So thank you, stay home, stay safe.